everybody, I'm Chris Blakeman, and this is Paula from R&K Distributing, the Embellish division, which is a new creative division of R&K. If you're familiar with Floriani, you might be a little bit familiar with Embellish. We did an event last year, and we got another one coming up with Paula, and she's got some cool creative projects to tell us about.
We're going to have so much fun. So it's going to be coming soon, I believe in the summer. And we're going to have lots of fun learning techniques and all about stabilizers. This is one of our projects, the little BS bag. It's for your bags and shoes. We're going to be doing all of this. We've got appliques. We're going to be doing chenille. Look at that. That is so soft, kind of like our grandmother's.
It's like pinky almost.
Well, yeah, and remember the old bedspreads style that's coming back. We also have the little sewing kit. So these are some projects that we're going to be doing. We're going to have different threads. We have matte thread now. I absolutely love working with that. And because I want to show you a couple of little things, I'll have samples so you can see the difference between the flawless thread, which is a shiny, and the mattes. So we also have the heat transfer foils now. So we're going to be doing all kinds of projects. I'm going to be showing you all kinds of things. We're just going to have a great time. It's going to be a party.
We're going to have a really good time. We're going to have prizes to give away. We're giving away over $1,000 in prizes during the event.
Yay.
So definitely sign up. We have a gift box. You get a gift box when you come. It's totally worth it. It's going to be a fun time. You click the link below to sign up. There's limited seating, so make sure you jump in when we still have seats available.
Looking forward to see ya.